Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to BONK update today. Now, the good thing that you need to see for BONK has actually happened, okay? And I think BONK is really ready perhaps to make it move to go and continue really high. Now, previously we were struggling. We made a fake out. You went down again, made another fake out, and then you broke above. And you've actually taken out 3051. I think the technical target we're looking for is 3901. This is where you're probably going to go. So I'm going to keep it very simple. Our new stop loss, our new bad position to come down to is going to be 2380. If you do end up coming down here, I think you're going to go a little bit lower, maybe to the 17 and 1800. Secondly, is that anything above this price is going to be absolutely fine. And you have this whole pattern here. You may actually say it's a rounded bottom probably. If I actually remove all the drawings, I'm actually going to tell you a cool pattern that BONK actually made. So for that one, I'm going to go down and probably try to search for a curve. I really wish TradingView had a option for writing something and search for something, because they have too many tools. But anyways, so this is the curve, and if you take the curve right over here, you do have the rounded bottom itself. And if you take the trend line and you draw in the trend line, the break has already happened. So if we take that technical target from top to bottom right here, you're actually going to see even 4769 coming up. So that's your pretty much where you're going to be going, and that's going to be another resistance right over here. Because if you zoom out just a little bit, resistance number 1 down, resistance number 2, and number 3. If I just draw the line, I do know you get the point, right? So that's where the resistance really lies above. So it's pretty good, okay? Enjoy. This is your rounded bottom. It's a bullish pattern. It actually means a reversal. We're actually going to mark this as yellow, and it looks very good to me. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.